Okay, then බලන්න පුතා, what I wanted to explain you all was අපි incident ray එක හරිද? Now this is you, right? You are looking at the mirror from down, right? And this is the source of light. මෙතනින් තමයි light එක එන්නේ, right? So it's going to hit the mirror. So light ray comes like this. So this is going to be a what පුතා then? What ray?
Angle of incident.
Yeah, angle එක පුතා මේකනේ. This is the angle of incident. මේකටත් මොකද පුතා කියන්නේ?
Incident ray.
Incident ray. Okay, incident ray. එතකොට bounce වෙලා යන එක මේක මොකද්ද? What is this?
Reflected ray.
Reflected ray. මේ angle එක මොකද්ද පුතා?
Angle of reflection.
Angle of reflection. හරි. දැන් පුතා මම අනිත් පැත්තට යනද මොකද? Right, like this. You are here. This is your eye. Right? So from here යටින් කවුරු හරි torch එකක් ඔන්න ඔහම මේ මොකද්ද කන්නාටියට මේව කරනවා, right? So what is going to be the angle of what is going to be the incident ray? This or this?
Bottom one.
Bottom one, right? ඔන්න ඕක බලා ගන්න පුතා, right? This is the light ray comes. So it doesn't matter up, down. You don't have to remember that. Where is the source of light? The light ray that first falls, that is going to be the incident ray. So over here, මේ වගේ scenario එකක පුතා, this is going to be your incident ray. This is going to be your reflected ray. එතකොට මේ angle එක වෙනවා පුතා incident angle එක. මේ angle එක වෙනවා පුතා what? Reflected ray එක. Right? Normally මේකත් ඔලුවට දාගන්න පුතා දැම්මම what is this mirror by the way? This is a plain mirror like we have at our home to see ourselves, no? Plain mirror. So plain mirror එකක පුතා incident angle and the reflected angle will be the same. Right? They are always going to be the same. ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන්නේ පුතා මොකද්ද? When the surface, when the mirror is becoming curved, ඔන්න සමහර දේවල් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Okay, අපි ඒවා පස්සේ ඉගෙන ගමු. මේක හොඳටම තේරුණාද පුතා?
Yes.
Okay, right. So incident ray වචන දැන් අලුත් වචන vocabulary එකට එකතු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ පුතා. You all have to be very familiar with these words. Incident ray, reflected ray, incident angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Right. Let's go back to the textbook. Right. ඔන්න ඕක තමයි මෙතන explain කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඔන්න බාර වචන දාලා කියලා තියෙනවා. Right. Okay. Then now here බලන්න පුතා, you have learned two laws of reflection of light before. First law, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence lies on the same plane. Yes, we saw that. No, it's not different. It's on the same plane that happens. Second law is what? The angle of incidence will be equal to the angle of reflection. අපි ඒකත් බැලුවා. Right? Now here see, look at this. This is